see if I can do this without breaking a nail. Hey guys!
I am so sorry. I'm popping in to say hi. Hi. I might sound really echoey in this video because I put my microphone on backwards on accident, so it's not facing me directly. So just bear with me. All right, back to the video.
Welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be about Zenni Optical. No, I am not sponsored, but I do have a package from Zenni Optical that I had ordered my new glasses from. So I really wanted to open it with you guys. It came today in the mail. So that is what this video is going to be about. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, then please keep watching. So if you guys have been following me for a while, I did a video on Zenni Optical. It was definitely over a year ago, may have been 2 years ago, but I will link that video below because it goes into a little bit more detail about the website. But just as an overview, this is a great website that I get my prescription glasses from, and these are the first pair that I ever ordered from there, and they hold up very well, they're very sturdy, and they work, which is the #1 reason why I love this website. But the other reason why I love the website so much is because I only paid $35 for these glasses. That was it. So like I said, I'm going to link the video down below that talks more about the website because people are very interested when they hear that I only paid $35 for my glasses. So let's jump into the bag and let's see what I got. Hopefully they have the style numbers listed on like a receipt inside because I want to let you guys know the styles that I got. If not, I'm just going to put it on the screen anyway. I'll go back on the website. I mean, can I open it though? This is what I'm seeing as soon as I open it up, and there are 3 little cases. I ordered 3 pairs of glasses. The reason why is because, like I said, I loved my glasses so much and I use them on an everyday basis that I decided to get 2 new pair of glasses that are a little bit different from each other, so then that way, well, first of all, let me just mention, I have a new prescription, which is why I needed to buy new glasses. So the prescription in these are a little bit different. So these I will not be using anymore. I got 2 pairs of glasses that are a little bit different in style from each other, just in case I want to change it up. And then I got a pair of sunglasses for the first time from their website. So I'm really, really excited. I'm going to leave these for last. I think these are them, right? I think. So I really like, obviously they send you a case with every single pair of glasses that you order. So when you open it up, it comes in a bag, which is nice because I know that they're not going to get crushed in the mail, you know? And it also comes with the little, I think this is like a microfiber type of cloth here so that you can clean the lenses. Yes. Oh my god, these are so nice. You guys, I love these. So these are the glasses that I got here. It doesn't give me a receipt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto the website and I'm going to list here on the screen what style number these are, like what color I got them in, because when you go on the website you're going to see different glasses and they all have like the picture of the glasses. Don't bypass the glasses if they're not the color that you like because they may come in the color that you want. So make sure you click on the picture and see if they have those color options available for the style that you want. But these are like a matte black color, almost like a really dark gray. And I love the inside of it because these also have, I don't know what this inside is called. It's the part that sits on the bridge of your nose, but they don't move around. It's just like a solid thing that's attached to the glasses. I love that these are clear. These glasses, when I first got them, I didn't realize they're black, and I kind of felt it looked a little weird on my nose. I got used to it, but this time around, I wanted to see what it looked like in a clear version. So let's try them on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have new glasses, okay? Actually, I need a mirror because I literally cannot see that far. All right, so let's put the glasses on and see how it looks. Wow, yeah, definitely crystal clear. I love that these glasses work. Like, and it's so, like, if you don't wear glasses when you first get a new prescription and you're wearing the glasses, everything kind of does seem a little funny at first, but then your eyes adjust and they're all good to go. So right now I'm in that state. But definitely, they still work. The prescription is great. I can see all the way across my apartment, and they fit. Like, the glasses are not sliding off. They fit just right. And I love the way that they look. Oh, I love these so much. I wanted something that was a little bit more square and not so round, because these had like a little bit of like a cat eye kind of round shape, and these were a little bit more square. So I love these. Yay, I'm so excited. These are definitely a good pair of glasses. I actually have the information right here. I'm still gonna list it on the screen so that it can look all professional. But this was the frame number 4423521. I paid $29.95. They already come with a coating on them that protects your eyes. So I don't feel the need to add anything else to my glasses, but you can. They have like all these different options. It does boost the price of your glasses, but it is what it is. If you want to add stuff to your glasses, you'll have to pay a little bit more. But these, I love. They're standard. They fit my face. I feel like they fit my face. I really, really like them. So, but that was the frame number. So if you're interested in this type of shape, you guys can look that up when you go to the website. Yeah, these were the other pair that I ordered. So this pair here, if I can open it up. Okay. So this pair here, which I also really love, these were a little bit similar to the original style that I had, except the color is different and it is a little bit more square. So this was the frame number 170915. I paid again $29.95 for these. These actually have the inside that sit on the bridge that are different from the first pair of glasses. These can actually move around. I don't necessarily prefer these, but I wanted to give these a shot because sometimes when you wear glasses for a long time, they can stretch out. And I feel like if you move the nose pieces closer together, it helps to like settle your glasses a little bit. So let's try these on. Again, perfect fit. I can't believe that this place gets it right. Like, you would think that you went to a place and you sat there and they measured you for them. No, this is incredible. To me, I still can't believe that I get my glasses for this cheap. It's crazy. And again, I am not sponsored. I honestly love this website. So where's my mirror so I can see if I like these or not? Ooh, yeah, these are different. You know, I like that they're not black. I love black glasses because it's standard, it goes with everything, but when you want a little something different, these are awesome. And they almost have a little bit of a cat eye effect, but they're still square, so... Ooh, girl. I like these. I really like these. Cool. And I really like... I tend to get sunglasses and things like that, that when I put them on, the bottom part here touches my cheeks. I hate that. I feel like I have enough bacteria on my face. I don't need something blocking the pores even more, and I feel like it gives me pimples and stuff. So these glasses do not touch my cheeks at all. I can get a full finger underneath there, and I love it. I love the way they're sitting on my face. Okay, now it's time for the finale, my sunglasses, which I am very nervous about because I really, really hope that they turned out well. When I'm driving, I'm starting to really need sunglasses. My laundry is done. I'm starting to really need sunglasses when I drive. The glare is really getting to my eyes, and the last appointment that I went to with my eye doctor, he told me that I have a problem in this eye, which is my weaker eye, and I have like a retinal, like I'm prone to retinal tears basically. So I have to be super careful, and he even told me you really need to start wearing sunglasses a lot more often when you go outside because it's really going to help save your eyes. So I said, all right, let me order a pair of sunglasses and see how I feel. So these are the sunglasses that I ordered. This style was frames number 1126721. I paid $35.95 for these, and again, these are prescribed. I like this. When you order these, they do give you different types of style when it comes to the tint. You can get one tint all over, but these, I don't know if you guys can tell, have a gradient tint. So it's like 80% tint on top and then it fades on the bottom. So let's put them on. Ooh, again, amazing fit. I don't feel that they're lopsided. I don't feel like they're touching my cheeks. I have my lights going right here and I feel like I am protected. It almost has like a blue sheen to it, but that's because of the tint and I don't mind that at all. So let's see the test. Let's see. Oh, I freaking love it. I love it. It's so good. If you guys have not tried this website, you guys have to try it. It is incredible. I literally talk about this website so much. They should hire me. Just saying. All right, so I love these glasses. These are probably, if I had to put them in order, I don't know, guys. These are probably my number 1 favorite, my number 2 favorite, and then my last bronze one was my number 3 favorite, but I love them all. I am very happy with my purchase. For my entire purchase, just to give you guys an idea, I only paid $113.70 for all of those glasses. They are all prescribed, and my shipping was only $4.95. So there is no better than that. Definitely give this website a shot. Again, it's ZenniOptical.com. I will list it right here. Please go check out my video. I will link that below as well so you guys can learn more about how to use the website, because I don't want you guys to feel intimidated when you're using the website. I love it so much, so I would not steer you guys wrong. That is it for this video, you guys. Please let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much. Please hit that like button and that subscribe button, most importantly, because I need to get to 1,000 subscribers, okay? And I'm not gonna get there by wishing for it. Hit that subscribe button, show me some love, and thank you guys so much for watching. As always, leave me some comments down below, you know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Make sure the pillows are even, because people are very interested when they hear I only pay $35. People are very interested when they see if I can do this without breaking it out. Let me get a mirror so we can make this authentic. Okay, I can't get past any of my lights. I'm trapped.